Most people don't go broke overnight. It's not one big mistake. It's death by 1,000 tiny choices. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 wealth killers silently draining your bank account and robbing your future. If you want to build lasting wealth, you need to know what to avoid. Let's go. Wealth killer number 1, lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep, also known as lifestyle inflation, happens when your income goes up and so do your expenses. You get a raise, and suddenly that old car isn't good enough. You move into a more expensive apartment, start dining out more, buying nicer clothes. The problem? Your savings stay flat. This is how people making 6 figures still live paycheck to paycheck. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you're keeping more. Here's the fix. When your income increases, treat it like a tool, not a temptation. Lock in your lifestyle and increase your investments. That's how you build wealth, not just look like you have it. Wealth is what you don't see. It's in the assets, not the accessories. Wealth killer number 2, consumer debt. Credit cards. Buy now, pay later. High-interest personal loans. These are wealth traps disguised as convenience. Let's say you have $5,000 in credit card debt at 24% interest. If you only make the minimum payments, you could be paying it off for over 20 years and end up paying double or even triple what you borrowed. Here's the fix. Avoid carrying a balance at all costs. If you're already in debt, attack it like your future depends on it, because it does. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method and stop adding new debt. Consumer debt is the enemy of freedom. The sooner you kill it, the sooner you start living on your own terms. Wealth killer number 3, not investing. Saving is great, but if you're not investing, you're losing to inflation every single year. Money sitting in a savings account loses value over time. Meanwhile, the stock market has averaged around 7 to 10% annual returns after inflation over the long term. Here's the fix. Start with what you have. Index funds, ETFs, even fractional shares. Automate it. Set it and forget it. The key isn't timing the market. It's time in the market. If you're not investing, your money isn't growing. And if it's not growing, you're not building wealth. You're just surviving. Number 4 is short-term thinking. Our brains are wired for instant gratification. That's why it's easier to spend $200 on a weekend trip than invest $200 for your future self. But wealth doesn't come from what you do once. It comes from what you do consistently over time. Here's the fix. Start asking yourself, will this decision help or hurt me 5 years from now? Delay a little gratification today, so future you can thrive. Your future is shaped by your habits, not your hopes. Think long-term, act long-term, and your wealth will reflect it. Wealth killer number 5, no financial education. The final wealth killer is lack of financial education. You can't win a game you don't understand, and most of us were never taught how money actually works. You might know how to make money, but do you know how to keep it, grow it, protect it? Here's the fix. You're already doing it right now, watching content like this. Keep learning. Read books, follow credible voices, take courses. Even 10 minutes a day of financial education can compound into life-changing decisions. Money is a language. The more fluent you become, the more freedom you gain. Let's recap. 1. Lifestyle creep makes you look rich, not be rich. 2. Consumer debt robs your freedom and your future. 3. Not investing keeps you stuck in neutral. 4. Short-term thinking trades tomorrow for today. 5. Lack of education keeps you blind in a money-driven world. So tell me in the comments, which one hit you hardest? And what's one change you're committing to today? If you got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on money, mindset, and building lasting wealth. Until next time, remember, money isn't the goal, freedom is. But freedom starts with financial wisdom. Let's build it.